Good evening. Welcome to MB Option Traders. This is Shiva. Day 78 of 2.5 lakhs to 6 lakh challenge. You can see every day we do morning live videos, but this video quite different for daily videos. Reason? Past few months I'm practicing a new strategy. Today I did back test. I'll give you the final results end of this video. Okay. Before that I want to tell you something. Actually I'm planning this trade, this strategy, because there are, okay, as per my view, there are only three types of markets. Okay, it's if it market open gap up or gap down or flat. There's only three types. At the same time, there are only three types of trends. Either it's bullish or bearish or it's going to be consolidation. So why don't we, you know, consider this both and use it all best way. So what I did, every time we can sing as a option buyer, we have two problems. If market open gap up or gap down, how gonna perform this particular time? At the same time, market going consolidation, how we gonna use this consolidation time? How do we gonna buy exact this moment? Because we don't get any opportunity to buy. If you buy, it gonna trigger our SL or try SL. Most of them it gonna happen. So what I plan, there are only three trends in that day. Okay, the first thing going to be fully volatile. If market open 9:15 to 10:30, it's going to fully volatile. It's going to be give you good volatility and move both side are upside or both sides. Second, then 10:30 to mostly 12:50 or 1 o'clock, it's going to be consolidation mode. After 1 o'clock, we can see a good trending either downside or upside. So I'm planning to capture this only these two times, either morning time or a closing time. We want to not going to trade between this range in 10:30 to 1 o'clock. Okay, so what did I plan? Market open, we have to end up between the 9:15 to last 9:25. Mostly 9:15 to 9:20. It hardly 9:25. We wanna enter the trade. If our facer got triggered, we only lose minimum 10 points below only. Then okay, if your SR got triggered first time, second time, third time, if you continually your SR got triggered 5 times also, the sixth trade gonna give you cover your entire losses and make you minimum 2 to 3 times profitable compare your loss. So mostly not going to trigger to continue fight SL. It mostly going to trigger hardly 1 2. If end of the 3, if you continue fight trigger means there is something wrong. So same happened with today also. Okay, let me give you the order book first. I will want to show you order book. You can see this is over trade. We already consider this 63 trades. Okay, just give me a second. Okay, what happened actually in not 63, some are cancelled it, so it's going to be considered as like 58 something like. Okay, you can see the computers. Let me show you. The mistake happened was here only. Okay, you can see this is the plan was today going to be bearish, so I'm looking for a bearish trade and I want to apply the strategy on bearish trend. So mostly you can see I only bought CP. Sometime I could try to cover losses, so that's why I bought C. By the end of the day, you can see mostly we lose only minimum part 21. So let 18, 16, 5, 18, 3. You can see minimum 10 to less than point. Okay, this is more, but you can say 17, 16. Okay, you can see if there are three types. Okay, the SL also considers by which strike price you're taking. If you're taking deep in the money or in the money, it's going to become above 10 points, below 20 points. If you bought at the money, it's going to be considered 10 points, like minimum 10 to 15 points. If it's going to be out of the money, it's going to be below 10 points only. So but we want to try to take only in the money only, not deep in the money, but at least we want to take in the money because there is a volatility and decay. It will affect also. That's why we want to buy only in the money. So that's why I took multiple days. It's not well, okay, but I didn't back to see it done well, but in it's come to real time, it's not done well because the mistake also mine, because I want to test this strategy on PE side. You can see entire trades are only Once again, this except this one, this is actually different. I'll give you the reason. Okay, I'll trade only P. Our student plan was to buy P. I want to apply the strategy on P side, bearish side. So that's why actually market went bullish, but I took the trade all out from bearish side. That's it, not done well. So, but it had a good accuracy. Good accuracy. It give you minimum to minimum 55 to 75 strategy as of my backtest. So mostly I think the strategy gonna work. We're gonna work on the strategy and live market. Next Monday I'll start use this strategy only. I lose the strategy not frequently, sometimes, but from Monday we're gonna use continuously strategy. Okay, let me show you the final position. Okay, you can see. I know this is a huge loss, but it happened because we took multiple trades. Okay, you can see it like 60 trades. Okay, that means 30 trades. 30 trades, you can see. Okay, I said previously this is why I took the trade. This is why I just want to cover the losses and I want to capture a small trade. So that's why I took the trade. Okay, let me show you. You can see. Okay, the only minimum losses. Okay. This one was made by my mistake. Actually, my plan was to this both trade going to be positional. So I did a mistake. I should not take for the positionals. I should use for the intraday, but I planned for the position. That's why they both are giving huge loss compared to all. You can say all very small losses. These are only two are the big losses compared with all. It's okay. It is very easy to recover this money. This is not a big deal, but it all about the strategy. Sometimes it's not gonna work. It doesn't mean if your strategy not gonna work on first day, it never gonna work. I said already, the accuracy is going to be 55 to 75% between. It's more than enough. If we example, you total trade 10 trades, we lose example, we only win 5 trades. If we lose 5 trades, if we lose example as every day 1000 rupees, consider 5 trades. But if we make minimum to 3, okay, as RL said, if you lose 1000, we're gonna make minimum 2 into 3%. So if we lose 1000, we're gonna gain 3. Consider 3 into 5, it is gonna 15,000. If you lose only 5,000, so still we are in profit of 10,000. If you vary, you can trade by the 1 lakh, 2 lakh also. So that's why I'm preparing the strategy. Next Monday we'll want to use this strategy. So I hope you understand why these losses are made and this over trading also. This is not over trading. I'll use this strategy. So I don't consider this as the over trading. So you can see this is the final position. Chalo, done for the day. See you on next video.